Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're exploring how to talk about family and friends naturally and confidently in English.
Hi, everyone. This topic sounds simple, but it's one of the most important conversation skills in real life.
When you meet someone new, one of the first topics that comes up is family.
Yes, people often ask, do you have any siblings?
Instead of giving short answers, you can expand naturally.
For example, yes, I have one older sister and a younger brother.
Notice how we use older and younger, not big or small.
That's a common learner mistake.
You can also describe relationships,
Like saying, we're very close.
or we don't see each other very often.
Let's talk about parents.
You might say, my parents are very supportive.
Or, my father works in business and my mother is a teacher.
It's helpful to use possessive adjectives correctly. My, his, her, their.
Yes, clarity matters.
When discussing family size, you can say, I come from a big family.
Or, it's just the three of us.
Talking about extended family is also common.
Such as, I'm very close to my cousins.
Or we have family gatherings during holidays.
Now let's move to describing personality.
You might say, my sister is outgoing and energetic.
Or, my brother is quiet but very thoughtful.
Adjectives make your English richer.
Avoid repeating very good or very nice.
Instead, say kind, generous, reliable, or ambitious.
Now let's shift to friends.
You can start with, I've known my best friend since childhood.
Or, we met at university.
Talking about how you met makes the story interesting.
Yes, stories create connection.
For example, we met by accident at a cafe.
Or, we were classmates in high school.
You can describe what you enjoy doing together.
We usually hang out on weekends.
Notice the phrasal verb, hang out.
It's very common in casual English.
Instead of saying we go outside together, say we hang out.
That sounds much more natural.
Let's talk about describing strong friendships.
You might say, she's always there for me.
Or, he's someone I can rely on.
These phrases show emotional depth.
Now, what about disagreements?
You can say, we argue sometimes, but we always work it out.
That shows maturity and balance.
Real conversations aren't perfect.
Exactly. Authentic language includes positive and negative aspects.
When speaking about childhood memories, you can say, we grew up together.
Or, we used to play outside every day.
Notice used to for past habits.
That grammar structure is powerful in storytelling.
Now, let's discuss tone.
When talking about family, your tone should feel warm.
Emotion matters as much as vocabulary.
If you're speaking about a challenge, slow down slightly.
That shows sincerity.
Sometimes people ask about marital status.
You can answer, I'm single, or I'm married.
Or, I'm engaged.
Keep it simple and confident.
Now, let's talk about cultural sensitivity.
In some cultures, family questions are very personal.
If you are uncomfortable, you can say, I prefer not to share.
That's polite but firm.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. What about you?
I'm an only child.
See how we return the question?
That keeps conversation balanced.
Balance is key in English dialogue.
Now let's expand vocabulary.
Instead of saying, my friend is funny, say, my friend has a great sense of humor.
Instead of saying, my mom is nice, say, my mom is incredibly caring.
Descriptive language builds fluency.
Fluency is not speed, it's expression.
Another phrase, we get along well.
That means you have a good relationship.
If not, you can say, we don't always see eye to eye.
That's a great idiom.
Talking about support, you might say, my family means everything to me.
Or, my friends are like family.
That phrase is very common.
Now let's discuss future plans.
I hope to start a family one day.
Or, I'd like to travel with my friends.
Using hope and would like softens your speech.
It sounds thoughtful and polite.
If you've lost contact with someone, say, we drifted apart.
That sounds natural and mature.
Avoid saying, we stopped talking abruptly.
Tone makes a difference.
Now, pronunciation tip.
Stress key words in emotional sentences.
For example, she's always there for me.
Stress always and there.
This adds feeling.
Emotion improves communication.
Now, let's practice storytelling.
Last summer, my family went on vacation together.
We hadn't traveled together in years.
It was unforgettable.
Short sentences create impact.
Don't overcomplicate stories.
Keep them clear and expressive.
Confidence grows through practice.
Practice describing one family member daily.
Use 3 new adjectives each time.
Record yourself telling a short story.
Listen and improve rhythm.
Family topics are safe conversation starters.
They build connection quickly.
When networking, you might hear, what does your family do?
Answer briefly but clearly.
Don't feel pressured to overshare.
Control your narrative.
Now, let's end with reflection.
English is not just words.
It's connection.
And family and friends are emotional subjects.
Use that emotion to power your fluency.
Speak with warmth.
Speak with honesty.
Speak with confidence.
Because fluency grows in meaningful conversations.
And conversations about family are always meaningful.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this helps you speak more naturally.
Join us next time for another deep English topic.
Until then, keep practicing and stay confident.
Your voice matters.
And every conversation makes you stronger.